In this video, we're going to talk about synthetic division. So synthetic division is the process that can be used for long division as long as the divisor is a binomial of the form x minus c. Now, for this problem, I'm going to do the long division first. So let me set this up now. And let's do this by long multiplication quickly. So what do I multiply this leading term by to get this leading term here? Well, that's 3x. So 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 8 is a positive 24x. Subtract, that's negative 5x. Bring down the next term. So what do I multiply this x by to get negative 5x? Well, that's negative 5. So multiply. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. And negative 5 times a positive 8 is negative 40. Subtract and you get 0. Okay, so with synthetic division, I'm going to use the leading coefficient, and constant, and I'll write it like this. Now, because the factor is x minus c, you see x plus 8, I'm going to write here in the box negative 8, because x plus 8 is the same thing as x minus a negative 8. Now, I'm going to bring the 3 straight down. Now, why is that the case here? Because 3x squared divided by x is 3x. That 3 will represent that. Just like the long division, I'm going to take this value here and multiply by what's in the box here. So 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. But unlike the long division where you subtract, I'm going to actually add the column. So 19 plus a negative 24 is negative 5. I'm going to take this negative 5 and multiply by this negative 8, which is a positive 40. I'm going to add down, and that's 0. So again, I know 3x squared divided by x is 3x. So this 3 represents 3x minus 5 plus a remainder of 0. So no matter which method I use for this, I'm going to get the exact same answer. The only thing is with synthetic division, again, your divisor has to be in the form of x minus c. Okay, so let's determine each quotient using synthetic division. Now, what I would like to do is just to set this up with the long division first, just to show you. 3x to the fourth minus 8x cubed minus 5x squared. So I would put plus 0x minus 8 because I do not have x to the first power there. And I can put a 0 there as a placeholder. Now, I would do something very, very, very similar with the synthetic division. So I'll rewrite. So that would be a 3, a negative 8, a negative 5, 0, negative 8. And again, it's x minus 3, but remember I'm doing x minus c, so I'm going to put 3, not negative 3 in the box. So I'm going to bring this 3 straight down, because again, 3x to the fourth divided by x is 3x cubed. So I'll take this 3 and multiply by this 3, that is 9. Negative 8 plus 9 is 1. I will take this 1 and multiply by 3, that is 3. Negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. Negative 2 times 3 is a negative 6. Add the column down, that is negative 6. And negative 6 times a positive 3 is negative 18. Add down, I get negative 26. So again, I have all these numbers. Now let's write as a polynomial. Again, 3x to the fourth divided by x, that is 3x cubed. So the first term is represented by 3x cubed. Now it should be going in descending order. Plus 1x squared minus 2x minus 6 plus a negative 26 over the divisor, which is x minus 3. And that is my answer here. Now, you can check your answer using long division. I will not be doing that in this video, though. Okay, one other example I want to take a look at. So again, let's write out. So we have 5x cubed, so a 5. There is no x squared term, so I'm going to write 0 as a placeholder. Negative 3 and 8. Again, because it's x plus 1 in the denominator, I'm going to write negative 1 in the box. Bring down the 5. Again, 5x cubed divided by x is 5x squared. Okay, so take this 5 and multiply by -1, that's -5. Add down, that's -5. -5 times a -1 is a +5. -3 plus 5 is 2. Take this 2 times -1, that is -2. 8 plus a -2 is 6. So again, 5x cubed divided by x, that is 5x squared, minus 5x plus 2 plus 6 over the divisor, which in this case is x plus 1. And we're done here.